Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techie Tips and Tricks. Today I am going to tell you how Swedish alphabets looks like and how we can pronounce those alphabets. Normally in Swedish there are 9 vowels and 20 consonants. So in total in Swedish there are 29 alphabets. So let's start how we can pronounce those. For A, in Swedish they pronounce E, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and then three specific words. These are 3 specific vowels in Swedish. They use only in Swedish. Like another languages also use, I don't know about that, but in Swedish these 3 vowels mostly used in all many words. So in this one pronounced like and this one is a, and this is the hardest one. Even I also have difficulty to pronounce this. It's like I know it sounds like funny, but yeah, these letters pronounce like this. I will again pronounce A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and these are A, U. So I hope you understand how these alphabets pronounce, and this is for today. Thank you very much, and I hope you understand how these words pronounce. One more thing, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, in Swedish there are 29 alphabets, and in which 9 are vowels and 20 are consonants. So in next video I will explain how we can start like introducing ourselves in Swedish. So please keep watching and continue learning Swedish. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye, and please subscribe, like, share and subscribe my channel to get new videos. Okay, bye. Hey, no bye. This is a Swedish class, so I will tell you hej då. Okay, tack, hej då, thank you. Thank you in Swedish called tack. So next time I will try to speak most of the word in Swedish. So it started from first video. I tell you hej då, but in this second video I explain you alphabets, and then for bye it's hej då, and thank you it's tack, and for thank you very much it's tack så mycket. Okay, tack så mycket. Hej då!